Hello and welcome to Udicci.TV. We're out at the Rochester Women's Ultimate Health Expo, and I am here with Dr. Shraddha Prativadi. Did I say it? Did I get that right?
Shraddha Prativadi, absolutely.
Shraddha Prativadi, and from Madonna OB/GYN.
Yes.
And thank you for your patience today as we've kind of gotten around a few little technical issues, but I'm really glad that you're here. I definitely want to learn a little bit more about what you're doing over at Madonna OB/GYN, so why don't we just start with that?
Okay, absolutely. We'd love to tell you. At Madonna OB/GYN and Vision Health, we are 3 board-certified obstetricians and gynecologists and a wonderful team of healthcare professionals and staff who are loving, caring, compassionate, hardworking, and really care about helping women get to their highest level of health.
So in this day and age where, I want to say it's like our doctors are almost a commodity because we don't get to know them so well. It's like in the past you always heard about the doctor coming to your house and you're like, where is that? How are you guys setting yourself apart from what else is going on in the community?
Well, what you say is true. Definitely, physicians and the medical profession is under a lot of pressure from a lot of different avenues. But at our practice, we really try to do, all the hard work behind the scenes. So when the patients come and see us, they really feel like they're getting 100% attention. And sometimes people come in, with very difficult situations or very difficult backgrounds, and we really try to make everyone feel cared for, give people the time and the attention that they are looking for.
I can remember, I've got 3 children, and I remember when we were going through our first, child, and that was all very somewhat scary. And at the time I was in the military, so it was a little bit like you get what you have, but we were kind of, I'll say, blessed in the way that we ended up at a private hospital. And it was, the doctor made a huge difference. And it was like, okay, you made it very comfortable. So what you're saying there is like, you just being able to give the attention and have the doctor not have to be so, burdened with everything else going on makes a lot of sense. But so what is the message? What is it you'd really like people to know about your organization?
Well, I think that, our goal is to provide the highest level of the latest modern, scientifically based care with the latest surgical techniques and medical techniques available in a very approachable manner, but also that we help each woman also just achieve their highest life as well. So, if we can take away some of the health blocks and even some of the other blocks that people experience, sometimes we do complicated surgery and that helps people. Sometimes it's a heart-to-heart conversation in the office that really just, makes a patient have a breakthrough. We just try to search for whatever it takes and do the appropriate things and help people get to their highest selves.
I think that you're in such a unique position because you truly get to share in life's highest moments, but at the same time, you get to share in times that are going to be some of the lowest,
Definitely.
right? Because when you're dealing with children, right, and then the health, that's got to be a bit difficult as a doctor. It's not, I've got a cold. It's not. It is life, and sometimes, unfortunately, not. And
that's true. And so, we deal with like the happiest highs, and sometimes we deal with like the lowest disappointments as well. But our goal is to always keep people progressing in their lives, whether it's something simple like come in for your routine, PAPs. Or
hold on, let me stop you there.
Oh yeah.
Yes, honey, you should go more than once every 7 years. Sorry, that was for my wife.
I'm not getting involved.
That was.
But yes, it's really about helping people moving forward and giving them hope through the latest information, the latest technologies, access to the many other high level professionals and services that we have in the area as well. So we try to maintain our network with other professionals and give people access to that as well.
I do joke around, but the preventative health care and the knowing what to expect and how to take care of yourself, that is critical. And that's what I hear you saying right now is to really it's health for life.
Absolutely.
And in your world, that life is something to be shared with. So, is there anything else that you'd like to share before we sign off today?
We just really look forward to every day coming to work and taking care of women, and we actively engage husbands and spouses. That's excellent. And when we empower women, we empower the whole family, and women's empowerment is men's empowerment, and it's family empowerment. And we're trying to do that through our own way, through health.
Well, thank you for joining us out here. And now I know you're going to be out here all day. So if you come out to the Rochester Women's Health Health Expo, stop over and see Madonna, OBGYN. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having us.
All right. All right, so how was that?
Is that okay?